Well, hello everyone. Nice to see you again. Thanks for joining me. It's Johnny back again with some meditations and a card reading today. So just make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes just to center yourself and balance yourself. Let's take a nice big deep breath in. Nice cleansing breath, filling yourself up with positive energy and letting go of anything you don't need. Just feel that release. We're going to do that 2 more times. Nice, big, invigorating breath in. Feeling that energy coming in, holding on to it, letting go of anything you don't need. And one last time, nice big breath in. Feeling that cleansing, that clarity, that positive energy, aligning with it, and then sharing it with the world. Just resting in that nice, calm energy. We're going to connect with our highest spirit guides and angels at this time. I'm just going to have a prayer here. Please, God, use me as a channel of healing and blessing. And please send the messages through me that you need to let our viewers know. Whatever message is in their highest good. That's me. Well, the guides and angels are with us. Thank you for letting me be a channel of healing and for trusting me to share the messages that my viewers need to hear at this time. Thank you, angels. I open up to you and receive the messages that you have for them at this time. Amen. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start. I'm going to shuffle right after I knock on it first. I'm going to release the energies that were there before. We've already called on the angels to step forward. So just slowly take your time opening up to these angels and the messages they have. And the first message they have for us today is there's nothing to worry about. So just let that positive message wash over you. And recognize that we are connecting with the angels. They are always with us. They're with us wherever we go. So we have nothing to fear. And they're asking us, they're guiding us to release those fears to them. Whatever thoughts or concerns you have at this time, whatever fears, uncertainties, frustrations, old patterns, old blocks, old wounds, old pains, just release them to the angels at this time. Visualize them all around you now with open arms, open wings. And visualize yourself going within yourself, finding those areas within you that you no longer need, those heavy energies you no longer need. Fully get every last ounce of them and release them to the angels now. And trust that they will take care of everything. They will bring that all back to love and light, back up to the heavens to be transmuted, back to love and light. Just visualize all this happening all that heavy energy going to the angels, them lovingly handling them, and just feel and see that energy all being transmuted back to love and light. And know that everything's going to be okay. And whenever you're in doubt again, know that the angels are there. They're there to help. And that you have within you your inner flame to transmute everything on your own as well. There's nothing to worry about. So the second message that the angels have for this time, for all of us, is to play. Take a nice big deep breath in and receive this message. It's a time to play. We've released all the heavy energies. Now it's time to play. To enjoy yourself, to have fun, to be a child again. Let yourself be that inner child. Let that inner child run free. Enjoy yourself like you did so freely when you were a child. When you ran around and played without any worries or concerns. That's what the angels want for you at this time. Raise your vibration, raise your frequency by enjoying yourself, by enjoying what you're doing, by doing what you love. Giving attention to those things. Releasing the attention on the heaviness, the things that cause you to feel heavy, and bringing your attention to things that make you feel light. That you just naturally want to do and love to do. That brings out that inner child. It's time to play, everyone. So take some time today and throughout this week, and for the rest of your life, to play. It's for you. It's a gift you're giving yourself and the world, and you'll feel better, and the world will benefit as well. And the final message the angels have for you at this time, they ask, what do you desire? And they want you to focus on that. What do you desire? What does that inner child of yours desire? What does that adult version of you desire? What does all of you desire? What does your heart desire? What does your soul desire? What does your spirit desire? You can have it. You can have that and even more. The angels reassure you that you are worthy, that it is safe to receive, that it is time to receive. The more you play and raise your frequency, you open up to all your desires. You open up to all your dreams coming true. Know that to be true. Celebrate now, knowing that your desires are on the way. Feel those thoughts and emotions and celebrate now. Feel those emotions now. Be happy now. You don't need anything else to make you happy. You can be happy at this moment in time. You have the key within you. Celebrate knowing even more happiness is on the way. Your dreams are on the way. It can and it will happen, and it is happening. Trust in that. Trust in the guides, trust in the angels, trust in yourself that you are worthy. And they know what's best for you. And they want you to be happy. So let yourself be happy. And let yourself embrace all your desires. Slowly take your time gathering up all those beautiful messages, all that beautiful energy. Slowly take your time bringing it back into your physical body, back to your physical self, from head to toe. Slowly taking your time coming back to this time and this place. Getting ready to slowly open your eyes, but only opening them when you're ready. And remember, everyone, as you come back fully now, there's nothing to worry about. It's time to play. And ask yourself, what do you desire? Have a wonderful week, everyone.